Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how we need to take semi long short, how I need to take trade. First of all, in one window you need to see 38 by 16 and second window 44 by 4, and make sure you need to click on long or short. Okay, you cannot do it two, but if you want to do it, then with minimum risk you can do it. But in after 9:30 trade, how we need to do it, you need to just click on strategy. After strategy, there is templates here, which I already shared with everyone. If you'll see Zoom, that's the after 9:30 trade. Okay, so in this one, just you need to enable it. 3 contact, 27 profit, 15 SL, it's small scalping. Our target is 200. Okay, and if you want to turn on your background indicator in a 38 by 16, sorry, 44 by 4, you can turn on. Otherwise, just uncheck it. Okay, band, if you want to turn on, you can also turn on show tunnel. So what we need to do it, just we need to select our account, then enable it, apply. Okay, so in this way we enable it. So once the markets, we will play it, and after that, semi-auto, long or short, we need to choose one as per our 38 by 16. If you will see market is coming down in bearish trend, then you need to select short. If market is going up, then you need to select long. So every vessel on 4 by 44 what will take trade. So we will wait it and then we will take trade, because the market here is there is level here. We can see in the previous one, it's go through. So after that, I will turn on long or short. Okay, the tunnel is horizontal, no A plus setup. I will turn on short here. So,
Order submitted.
so what will
Target
trade?
filled.
First target fail. So then still short is on.
Order
Then a
submitted.
reversal. Second trade.
Target filled.
Second trade hit. If you want to turn on your runner, you can turn on. So what we are doing
Order
without runner.
submitted. Target filled.
So this is the third one.
Order submitted. Stop
The fourth
filled.
one. See the hits the SL here.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Again hit TP hour. So let me speed up.
Target filled.
So if you want to use runner, you can use runner with trail.
Order
Stop will
submitted.
be automatically
Target
backend.
filled.
If your runner is on, you can
Order
use.
submit. Target filled. Order submit. Order cancelled.
See, automatically cancel our TP hit. So in this way, semi long short, you can use how semi auto will work. Okay, thank you. See you in next video.